To every action there is an equal and opposite reaction. This is the third law of motion, and today we will discuss third law of motion. Now let us take an example to explain this law. We have a boy sitting on the chair. Now you will see the boy is applying force in the downward direction so that he can able to sit on the chair. But in the reaction, the upward force is applied by chair which help the boy to sit on it. So in this case, action force is applied by the boy in the downward direction, and in reaction force is applied by the chair in the upward direction. So we can say that the magnitude of reaction force is equal to action force. So FA, that is the force applied by boy on the chair, is equal to force applied by the chair on the boy, but both are in the opposite direction. So how do birds fly? Let us take another example. This is a bird. The wings of bird is applying force in the downward direction. This is action. Similarly, the same force is produced by the air in the upward direction in reaction. So action and reaction always exist in the pair. So if action and reaction is equal, why don't they cancel each other? Because they never act on the same body. In this case, action is produced by the boy in the downward direction. As a result, reaction is produced by the chair in the upward direction, which helps the boy to sit on the chair. Similarly, action is produced by the wings of the bird in the downward direction. As a result, reaction is produced by the air in the upward direction, which helps the bird to fly. Now, let us take another example. Suppose a boy is moving on the ground. Now he is applying force in the backward direction in order to move. As a result, the ground will applying force in the forward direction. But why don't we see the acceleration produced by the ground? And we can easily see the acceleration produced by the boy. So according to Newton's second law, F is equal to product of mass into acceleration, and mass is inversely proportional to acceleration. Higher the mass, lesser will be the acceleration. In this case, mass of boy is very less, so the acceleration produced by the boy is high. But in this case, mass of ground is much higher as compared to boy. But the acceleration produced by the acceleration produced by the earth, that is the ground, is very lesser as compared to the acceleration produced by the boy. So that's how we can walk on the ground. Action force in the backward direction, and reaction force in the forward direction. Let us take another example. We have a gun. A bullet is released from the gun with very large acceleration, and the action is produced by the bullet as a reaction. The gun will move in the backward direction, but bullet's acceleration is much higher as compared to gun, because the mass of bullet is very less as compared to the gun. If the gun has higher mass, then it produces the acceleration, very less acceleration in the backward direction. Thank you.